Click on the link below to get price. The two-seater electric bike is a remarkable fusion of power, comfort, and practicality, designed to cater to both leisure riders and urban commuters. Its standout feature is the impressive 48V 20AH 960WH removable battery, which provides an extensive range, allowing users to travel longer distances without the constant worry of running out of charge. This battery is easy to remove, which simplifies the charging process and enhances convenience for those who may not always have access to a power source near their parking spot. Performance-wise, the bike boasts a robust 1300W peak motor that delivers a thrilling and responsive ride. Whether navigating city streets or tackling hilly terrains, the bike accelerates with ease, making it suitable for various riding conditions. The added power ensures that even with two passengers, the bike maintains impressive speed and stability. The dual seating arrangement is a unique selling point, enabling couples or friends to share the experience comfortably. The design of the bike is another highlight. It features a sturdy frame that feels durable yet lightweight, ensuring maneuverability without compromising strength. The spacious seat is ergonomically designed, providing comfort for longer rides. Additionally, the bike comes equipped with quality brakes and suspension, enhancing safety and ride quality. Riders can expect smooth transitions even on rougher surfaces. However, the bike is on the heavier side, which might pose challenges for some users when it comes to lifting or transporting. The charging time for the battery is also something to consider, as it takes a few hours to reach a full charge, but this is a common trade-off for electric bikes. In summary, the two-seater electric bike offers a thrilling ride with excellent range, powerful performance, and thoughtful design. It's a fantastic option for those looking to enjoy electric biking with a companion or simply seeking a reliable mode of transportation.